Hello friends, today's word is double lip. Double lip. It is a rare oral anomaly characterized by a redundant fold of tissue on the mucosal side of the lip. It is congenital in most of the cases, but can be acquired also. Acquired double lip may be a component of Usher syndrome, or it may result from trauma or oral habits, such as sucking on the lip. Upper lip is affected much more commonly than the lower lip. At rest, the condition is usually unnoticeable, but when the patient smiles, the excess fold of tissue is visible. Severe cases of double lips are treated by surgical excision of excess tissue for aesthetic purposes. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.